Welcome to the Max Media. In this video, I have typed all the questions for the data entry operator, computer operator, IT teacher, IT lab, junior clerk, and for all other exams. So let's get started. The first questions: find the odd man out. The correct option here is option B, microwaves, because microwaves are not belongs to the A, C, D, because A, C and D are lying under the same category and B is not belongs to that category. So that's why the correct option here is option B. Question 2. To have your macros available to all new document you create, store it in. The correct option here is the normal template, because when you go to view tab, in the view tab you just click on the view macros, and here if you record the macro, so the extension for that is the normal dot m. So that's why the correct option here is the normal template. Question 3. To move the previous cell in a date table inserted in a document, press the Shift plus Tab key. Question 4. To get step-by-step instructions as you go through the Word mail merge process, use a mail merge wizard. When you goes to Microsoft Word, and here you click on the mailing options, and here you can see the step-by-step mail merge wizard. That's why we have selected the option B. Question 5. A dash is a major database object used to display information in a printable page format. The correct option here is report. Question 6. The percentage increase in the area of a rectangle if each of its sides is increased by 20% is. So I have solved these questions for you. Length equal to 100 and B equal to 50. Area equal to L multiply B when you multiply 100 by 50. So the answer is 5,000. Now L equal to 120, B equal to 60. So new area equal to 120 multiplies 60 equal to 7,200. Increase area 7,200 minus 5,000, it is equal to 2,200. What percentage of 500 is to 2,200? So x percent multiply 5,000 equal to 22,000. X divided by 100 multiply 5,000 equal to 2,200. 50x when you solve, that is x equal to 44%. So the correct option here is option C. Question 7. When inserting a graphic into a worksheet, you could go to the cell A1 by pressing Ctrl plus Home. Question 8. To be compatible with the previous version of Microsoft Word, a Word 2013 document should be saved with this extension. So the correct option here is .doc. When you save this file in 97/2002 document, so the options will be B. Question 9. Which option display fill color in the alternate rows in a Excel table? When you go to Excel, and here you can just create a table like this one. If I created format as a table, and OK, and here you can see the option banded row. So you can see the table, it's a banded row. That's why we have selected the option A, banded rows. Question 10. What functions display row data in a column or column data in a row? So the correct option here is transpose. Question 11. When typing character search criteria, Excel matches field based on dash. So the correct option here is spelling. When you insert a picture into a document, the default text wrapping is line with text. So the next question, that is the first FIFA World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930. The correct option is option B. Question 2. Word Pakistani is a collective nouns. Question 3. Find the odd one out. So the correct option here is rifle, because spear, sword, lies under the same category and the rifle doesn't belongs to that category. That's why the correct option here is option A. 4. Card, telephone, television. So the correct option here is the screen. Question 5. Group of cattle is known as the flock. Question 6. Superscript, subscript, outline, embosses, engraves are known as font effects. Question 9. Margin key F12 is used for left, right, top and bottom. Question 8. Shortcut key F12 is used for save as a dialogue. Question 9. Battle fought after the conquest of Makkah, that is Hunain, Ghazwa Hunain. Question 10. Which function provides a list of synonyms in Microsoft Word? The correct option here is thesaurus. Question 11. Opposite meaning of conceal is show. Question 12. Which caliph buy the well from Jew for Muslims? So the correct option here is Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Question 13. First country to give women the rights of vote is Germany. Question 14. First railway line was laid in Pakistan in 1858. It started in 1861 in Karachi. Question 15. First underground railway was started in London. Question 16. In MS Word, which key is used to insert page break? So the correct option here is Ctrl plus Enter. 17. Length of M8 motorway is 892 km, that is from Sakar to Gwadar. Question 18. Siachen Glacier is located at Karakoram. 19. Euro is the currency of how many countries? So the correct option here is 19. Capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. And 21. Shortcut key used for manual line break is Shift plus Enter. 22. Name the first Pakistani who claimed K2, Nazir Sabir. And 23. Name the second small continent in the world, that is Europe. 24. The first 2-star Lady General of Pakistan is Shahida Malik. Question 25. Name the Pakistani rich city of aluminium producer, that is Lahore. 26. Lake associated to which game? It belongs to cricket. Name the first governor of West Pakistan, that is Mia Mushtaq.